this week's lesson, we're going to talk about one of my favorite winter stories, and that story is The Nutcracker. I know many of you are familiar with this story, but if you want a reminder or if you just want to listen to that story again, you can look at the video underneath this one, and there's a video of someone reading the story of the Nutcracker. After you're done watching that story, you can come back to this video, and I'm going to teach you 3 dances to 3 of my favorite Nutcracker songs. So go ahead and pause the video here and come back when you're ready to learn 3 dances. All right, now that you're back, we're ready to learn our first Nutcracker dance. This first dance is called the Spanish Hot Chocolate Dance. This is not a very hard dance to do, but it does require you to follow along with me. So first, you're going to find a safe place to stand up and dance. You might be in your backyard, or maybe you're somewhere in your living room, but you need some space to move for this dance. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put one hand on your hip, and you're going to put one hand up above your head with your palm, the front of your hand, facing the ceiling. And then you're going to take your toe and you're going to point in front of you, and you're going to make a big circle all the way around, and then you're going to stomp 2 times. 1, 2. Let's do that again. Big circle, 1, 2. Now switch which hand is on your hip and which hand is in the air, and switch which foot. You're going to point to the front. Big circle, 1, 2. We're going to do that 8 times in a row. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the first part of the dance. The next part is a Spanish walk. So you're going to keep your hand on your hip and one hand up this way, and you're going to turn this way, and you're going to take 6 steps this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around, and then you're going to switch hands. You go back the other way, 6 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around. Switch hands. Now you're going to skip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around. Now you're going to run to the back of the room. And then when I say go, you're going to run forward. You're going to get down on one knee. You're going to pose. And at the end, you'll say, Olé! And that's it. That's the whole dance. So now I'm going to push play, and I will do the dance, and you can follow along with me. Here we go. Circle, stomp, stomp. Circle, stomp, stomp. Circle, stomp, stomp. Circle, stomp, stomp. For this next dance, you're going to need some type of light scarf. So something that's not too big and not too heavy, and something that you can throw in the air and catch pretty easily. So you can pause the video here until you find something that will work, and then come back here when you're ready to learn our next dance. This next dance is called the Chinese tea dance, and like I said, you'll need a scarf for this one. So now that you've got your scarf and you're ready to go, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to throw your scarf in the air 2 times. 1, 2, and then you'll just wave it side to side, side to side. And then you're going to throw it again 2 times. 1, 2, side to side. We're going to do this 2 more times. 1, 2, side to side. Last time, 1, 2, side to side. Now you're going to take your scarf in your hand and you're going to skip in a big circle going this way first. You're going to do this for 6 counts, and you're going to just wave your scarf as you skip, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you'll turn around and go the other way. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, until you get back to where you started. Then you're going to take your scarf and you're going to spin it in a big circle down by your toes like this. So down by your toes. And then you're going to spin your scarf in front of your tummy. And then finally you're going to spin your scarf way up high. And at the end you give it one big toss and catch. And that's the whole dance. It's pretty simple. I'm going to push play and do the dance, and you can follow along with me. Here we go. Okay. 1, 2, side to side. 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 Now we'll skip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Spin by your toes. By your tummy. Way up high. And toss. All right, my next dance is my most active dance. It's the most challenging, and this is called the Russian candy cane dance. You might want a big glass of water or to take a couple deep breaths before we start this dance because you're going to be moving a lot. When you're ready, you can come back and we'll start learning the dance together. All right, to start this dance, we're going to do a move that looks like this. You're going to go like 1, and you see my leg is out, and then my hands are kind of leaning this way too. And then I'm going to switch to the other side. 2. And then I'm going to put my hands in front of me like this, kind of they're stacked on top of each other. And I'm going to kick. And I like to kick 4 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you can kick faster and you can go like this, that's fine too. But that's your choice. I'm just going to kick 4 times. And that's my first move. We're going to do that whole thing 4 times in a row. Let's practice that now. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the second time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the third time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the last time. And that's the first section of the dance. The next section, you're just going to turn your body, and you're going to put your hands on top of each other like they were before, stacked. And you're going to kick 6 times walking this way like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then turn around. And then do the same thing back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around. After that section, you're going to crouch down like this. You're going to put your hands on your knees, and you're going to lean one way, and then the other way, and then you do that again. Lean this way, then this way, and then you're going to do it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. So watch that section again. You do it 8 times total, 8 leans, but they kind of are in groups of 2. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, then we're going to go back to the first section, but this time we only do this part 2 times in a row. 1, 2, kick. Here's the second time. 2, and kick. And then for our very big finale, the last part of the dance, you're going to keep your hands like this and you're going to spin as fast as you can, but safely, like this. Until the end of the song when you pose. All right, this dance starts as soon as the music starts. So because I'm going to push play, I might be a little late to our first move. So as soon as you hear the music start, as soon as you hear it, you're going to strike this pose. All right, I'm going to push play and I will catch up with you as soon as I'm back in my spot. All right, here we go. And kick. And kick. Kick. Nutcracker dances with me today. If you want to rewind the video, you can do them all again with me. Have a great rest of your week. Bye.